The divine secret of creation lies in understanding that your inner state directs the flow of your external experiences. Neville Goddard. The hidden secret of God lies not in distant, celestial realms but within the very fabric of our own consciousness. This profound truth is not reserved for a select few or buried under layers of mysticism. It is accessible to anyone willing to look inward and understand the immense power of their own imagination. The real secret of God, if one might call it that, is the realization that God is not a separate entity but the essence of our own being and consciousness. It is the understanding that we are co-creators with this divine presence and that the power to shape our reality lies within us. This secret can be broken down into several key insights, each revealing a deeper layer of truth about our relationship with the divine and the power of our own minds. First, consider that everything in existence is a reflection of the inner state of the individual. The world around us is not an external force but a mirror of our own beliefs, thoughts, and feelings. When we grasp this concept, we begin to see that changing our inner world will inevitably lead to changes in our outer world. This is not mere philosophy but a practical approach to manifesting our desires and achieving our goals. The idea that God is within us implies that we are not separate from this divine power. Instead, we are an integral part of it. Our thoughts and imaginations are the tools through which we connect with this power and bring our desires into reality. When you understand that your imagination is the creative force of the universe, you start to see the incredible potential that lies within you. By focusing your thoughts and feelings on what you wish to manifest, you are aligning yourself with this divine power and allowing it to work through you. This hidden secret is grounded in the principle that our imagination is the gateway to the divine. When you imagine a desired outcome with vivid detail and emotional intensity, you are effectively communicating with the divine aspect of yourself. This communication is not through words but through the feelings and beliefs you hold. When you truly believe in your vision and feel the emotions associated with its realization, you are setting in motion the forces needed to bring that vision into physical form. It is also essential to understand that this power is not limited by time or space. The divine does not operate within the confines of our conventional understanding of reality. Therefore, when you imagine a desired outcome, you are tapping into a realm beyond linear time and physical limitations. Your desires are not bound by when or how they will manifest. Instead, they are simply awaiting the moment when your inner state aligns perfectly with their realization. One of the most significant challenges people face is maintaining faith and consistency in their imaginative efforts. Often, individuals may begin with enthusiasm but quickly become discouraged when they do not see immediate results. It is crucial to recognize that the manifestation process requires persistence. Just as a seed takes time to grow into a mature plant, your desires need time to take shape in the physical world. Trust in the process and remain steadfast in your belief that your imagination is a powerful force for creation. Another aspect of this hidden secret involves understanding the nature of resistance. Resistance arises from doubts, fears, and conflicting beliefs. When you encounter resistance, it is a signal that there are areas within you that need alignment with your desires. This is not a reason to abandon your goals but an opportunity to examine and clear the internal obstacles that may be hindering your progress. By addressing these areas and reinforcing your belief in the power of your imagination, you strengthen your connection to the divine and enhance your ability to manifest your desires. In essence, the hidden secret of God is the recognition that we are divine beings with the power to create our reality through the mastery of our imagination. By aligning our thoughts and feelings with our desires, we tap into this divine power and set in motion the forces needed to bring those desires to fruition. This understanding transforms the way we perceive ourselves and our potential, allowing us to live a life of fulfillment and purpose. Your imagination is not just a tool for daydreaming or idle fantasies, it is the most powerful creative force at your disposal. By harnessing its power and trusting in the divine connection it represents, you unlock the hidden secrets of God and open yourself to a world of infinite possibilities. The key to this profound truth lies within you, waiting to be discovered and realized. Building upon this profound understanding of our inner divine power, it's important to recognize that our journey with imagination and the divine involves a continual process of refinement and growth. As we explore the hidden secrets of creation, we begin to see that our inner state is not static but dynamic and evolving. This evolution is driven by our willingness to confront and transcend limiting beliefs and patterns that have shaped our experience up to this point. Consider that every thought and belief we hold carries a certain vibration, which interacts with the universal energy field. When we learn to manage and direct this energy with precision, we enhance our ability to manifest desired outcomes. This is not just about thinking positively but about aligning our inner vibration with the essence of our desires. The more we attune ourselves to this vibration, the more effectively we channel our creative power. One crucial aspect of this alignment is the practice of self-awareness. By becoming deeply aware of our habitual thoughts, feelings, and reactions, we can identify areas where our inner state may be misaligned with our desired outcomes. For example, if we seek financial abundance but continuously harbor fears about lack or scarcity, our inner conflict will impede the manifestation of prosperity. Self-awareness helps us pinpoint these discrepancies and provides the opportunity to shift our focus towards more constructive and supportive beliefs. Another key element in this process is the concept of persistent intention. While it is essential to start with clear, specific goals, it is equally important to maintain consistent intention over time. This involves regularly reinforcing our commitment to our desires through focused thought, visualization, and emotional engagement. Persistent intention ensures that our creative energy remains directed towards our goals, preventing it from dissipating due to distractions or temporary doubts. Additionally, the practice of gratitude plays a significant role in reinforcing the connection between our inner and outer realities. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we already have, creating a positive feedback loop that amplifies our creative power. By expressing gratitude for the things we desire as though they have already been realized, we signal to the universe that we are ready to receive and appreciate our manifestations. This practice cultivates a mindset of abundance and openness, which is crucial for attracting and receiving what we seek. As we advance in our understanding and application of these principles, it's beneficial to explore how our creative power interacts with others. Our collective consciousness and shared beliefs can influence the outcomes we experience. By fostering harmonious and supportive relationships, we align our individual desires with a broader, collective energy. This alignment enhances our ability to manifest not only personal goals but also to contribute positively to the world around us. It is also important to recognize that our journey is unique and personal. Each individual's path to realization will involve different challenges and opportunities for growth. Thinking about this individuality means acknowledging that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to manifestation. Instead, we must honor our personal experiences and insights while remaining open to new understandings and methods. Ultimately, the hidden secret of creation is the realization that our imagination is both a reflection of and a gateway to the divine. It is through the mastery of our inner world that we access the boundless potential of the universe. By refining our thoughts, beliefs, and emotional states, we align ourselves with this divine power and become active participants in shaping our reality. Understanding this, we come to see that the journey of manifestation is not just about achieving external goals but about exploring and expanding our inner capabilities. It is a continual process of growth, self-discovery, and alignment with the divine essence that resides within us all. As we deepen our engagement with these principles, we unlock new levels of creative power and experience a richer, more fulfilling existence. In exploring the depths of our inner power and the hidden secrets of creation, we've uncovered profound insights into how our imagination shapes our reality. Understanding the dynamics between thought, belief, and manifestation reveals a world where our inner state directly influences our external experiences. This journey into the essence of creation teaches us that by mastering our imagination and aligning it with our deepest desires, we tap into a vast reservoir of potential. As you reflect on these powerful insights, consider how they can be applied in your own life. Begin by assessing your current beliefs and emotional states, and make conscious efforts to align them with your desires. Practice gratitude daily to maintain a positive outlook and reinforce the abundance you wish to attract. Stay committed to your goals with persistent intention, and remain open to learning and adapting as you progress. If you found this discussion valuable, there are several ways you can continue to support and benefit from this channel. First, don't forget to like this video if you find the content insightful. Your likes help others find this valuable information and support the channel's growth. Second, subscribing to the channel will ensure you stay updated with the latest content and teachings. By subscribing, you join a growing network of individuals seeking to unlock their creative potential and achieve their dreams. Additionally, consider sharing this video with friends or family who might benefit from these insights. Sharing knowledge is a powerful way to inspire others and expand the reach of valuable information. Engaging in the comments section can also enhance your learning experience, as you connect with like-minded individuals and discuss the principles explored. To sum up, the journey of understanding and applying the hidden secrets of creation is both profound and personal. By following the insights shared, you harness your inner power to shape your reality and achieve your desires. Your active participation, through likes, subscriptions, shares, and engagement, plays a crucial role in spreading this knowledge and supporting the channel. Let's continue to explore, learn, and grow together as we unlock the boundless potential within us all.